Allows new aftermarket stereo to be installed in factory location. Fits double DIN stereos with a maximum screen size. Faceplate opening is 3 13/16 by 6 13/16, 96.8 mm by 173 mm. Precision designed for a gapless fit between the dash and the dash kit. Color and texture matches the factory dash. Easy to install. No special tools are required. Includes step-by-step instructions. Backed by Scosche's lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. Top reviews from the United States. Smooth install. I don't know what folk are complaining about on the fit or the install. The faceplate of my Sony fit perfect from behind. I think some may be trying to install it through the front. Colorwise I see what some are speaking of, but I think that may be the difference between an 8-year-old car and a new piece for it. The install was fairly straightforward and easy. I would buy again. This review is from me and me alone. I wasn't paid for it or given any free product. Although if Scosche wants to send something my way I wouldn't complain. Great product.